Hi guys, it's Tanya Corona again. I'm sorry I haven't posted in a while, but I'm trying to get through this video quickly. And today we will be making DIY slime. It's actually going to be gold though. And thank you, Susan, for this poster. All you'll need is borax, a spoon, and glitter glue, something mixed it, whatever. I already have this ready because I'm trying to get through this video quickly. So you're just going to get your glitter glue, if mine will open. Whatever. And you're going to squeeze that into the container, whatever container you're going to get. So that's how it looks like. And you're going to put that solution in there. And you're just going to kind of mix it. This takes a while to mix it, so I'm just going to show you the end result. That's kind of the end result, and I'm mixing these together. So thank you guys for watching, and I'm sorry that I had to do this really quick, but it's the only way it'll post. So thank you guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.